kid. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the.
Hi guys, so right now we're about to head out of the house and we're going to Kroger, then we're going to Potbelly for some lunch. And yeah, I need to go to Kroger to get meal prep stuff. Then we're gonna eat lunch at Potbelly and then we're gonna go by the bank. So yeah, I guess you guys can come along with us today. I don't know what he's doing in there. Really? But yeah, we don't have a whole lot planned for today. Whenever I get back, I'm gonna meal prep my lunch for the week because once again, I'm on a diet. And yeah, it's hard out here. It's so hard out here. But I hope you guys like my brows. I got them microbladed actually. Like I got them done like 9 days ago. And so I have to wait like a month, like 4 to 6 weeks, and then I go back and get a touch up. Look how skinny we got here. Y'all haven't seen us in so long. You got skinny and I got fat.
I don't know why she come out this way.
But yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the car. Again, be bad. Like, yeah, I don't think she has fleas or anything, but we went ahead and got her some fleece stuff. And I'm gonna put that on her. It's like these flea drops that you put on them. So, I'm gonna put this on her. And she is so bad. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Baby. Come here. Missy, come here. And she liked to get right up under him and hide. I guess she think that that's her protector or something. But she likes to get right there and hide. It's so funny. We are back in full effect with this YouTube thing, man. It's not. I got 2 batteries. But yeah, so guys, starting today, we will be daily. No, I ain't even gonna set myself up like that. Starting today, we are going to start weekly vlogging. So today is actually Thursday. So I'm guessing maybe like every Thursday we'll put out a vlog. My hair look a hot doggone mess. But yeah, we finna do this thing up. We finna get back into YouTube because it's what I'm passionate about. And I miss YouTube and I miss editing. I miss filming, even though like it look a hot freaking mess in here and we both work full-time jobs. Yeah. So if you guys have any requested videos, let me know. And we will get the videos rolling out for you guys. If you have any challenge videos, any prank videos that you want either one of us to do, we can start this whole prank wars thing. We can get it popping up in here. So leave comments down below and let me know what you guys want to see from our channel. Bye.